happy July 9th. That's when I'm filming this video. I was about to say happy Vlogmas, but it is definitely not Vlogmas, so I don't know where I was going with that. Anyway, today is another behind the scenes video because I have a lot of stuff to do and to accomplish in a short amount of time. So we're trying to like, what's the word? Yeah, I'm trying to multitask. I'm trying to like do two things, so accomplish two things at once. That's what I'm trying to say. Goodness gracious, I'm like, my brain is kind of foggy, and I need to finish designing the December monthly kits, which I showed you guys in the first clip, me doing that. I'm working on them. I'm currently trying to find the last like monthly kit, like what I want to use. I kind of want to do like a penguin theme or something like wintry and not Christmassy, because I did a Christmas one, so I want to have like one Christmas, one winter option. But yeah, I'm just currently trying to find what I want to do with that. But yeah, so today is July 9th. I literally have today, and then we have Wednesday, Thursday, but like I said, I want to do YouTube stuff with that. And then Friday is going to be cleaning and packing and all that fun stuff. So I got to get a lot done. And today I'm kind of losing a little bit of time because I'm getting a massage. So I'm just like, I'm all over the place today. So I'm trying to get it done, trying to get it accomplished. So that's where we're at. But I'm hoping that we can get it all done and we can get it accomplished and we can get done with our Christmas and July prep. I of course still have all the listings to do as well, so I might not be able to dedicate fully to YouTube the next 2 days, but I'm gonna do as much as I can for you guys. So anyway, all right, I'm going to finish designing. Let's do this. Let's finish all the designs.
Wanna shake the ground, wanna break away, let loose. I'm tired of waiting, gotta make that move. All the neon signs, now they shout to me and you to write our story. Wanna shape the new. Do you wanna come along with me? Come along with me. Do you wanna?
Okay guys, I'm back. It is several, I don't want to say several hours. I don't remember when I last talked to you. Maybe like 2 hours. Let me put my computer glasses back on. Don't you like that like glare? Maybe I shouldn't have them on. I don't know. Anyway, I finished the glitter headers. I saved everything to PDF files. So now for the next like hour, I'm going to work on listing photos.
Gonna keep on running, grab the fun and live it live. And tomorrow's far away. Should I let the party fade? And we ain't got nothing, gotta do something. Let us on tonight. Got a restless mind, and now I won't let go. So let us be crazy before we are cold. You can take us out, your doubts won't hold us down, 'cause we're gonna light up the sky where we go. Oh, oh. Do you wanna come along with me? Come along with me. Do you wanna?
Good morning guys, it is the next day because I fail at vlogging. I went and got my massage, and then when I got home, James was home, so we had to run to the grocery store, and then we cooked dinner, and then we just chilled. So I didn't do any work last night, so I still have a ton of stuff to do today. So I think today I'm going to try my very best to wrap up everything sticker related. So all the Christmas in July like promo stuff, the listing photos, do the listings, print and cut everything, film the new release video, all of it. And I'm also gonna try to film this week's plan with me, and then that way tomorrow can be 100% dedicated to YouTube, and I'm just gonna film and edit as much as I can for you guys, and whatever doesn't go up just doesn't happen. Like, I'm just not gonna stress about it. I'm not gonna stress myself out. And I know you guys understand. I know I just put way too much stress on myself. So anyway, this is what we've got going on with the hair today. It is what it is. I didn't feel like washing my hair, and it didn't feel like, you know, really messing with it. So I don't know why I felt the need to share that. Anyway, I'm going to make myself some breakfast real quick, and then we're gonna get to work. It is 8 o'clock exactly. So we're gonna get to work. We're gonna get a lot done. It's gonna be a productive day. Also, I have to say, last night was the first night in a very, very long time that I, 1, was asleep before midnight, and 2, that I actually slept through the entire night. I didn't wake up until James's alarm went off, and even after that I fell back asleep for a little bit, but I feel really great because normally I don't sleep well. So I got a really great rest last night. I'm feeling good and productive today. So anyway, all right, I'm going to make my breakfast and then we're gonna get started. You know when you're like almost finished with something and you just want to be done, you just want to like move on to the next task, but you can't. You've got to stay focused until you finish this, but you don't want to. That's how I feel right now. I finished all the listing pictures. So now it is 11 o'clock, so I'm like an hour-ish behind where I wanted to be today. But I have printed everything, so now I just need to cut everything, and I think while I'm letting stuff cut, I'm going to take off my nail polish and I'm going to try to put on my nail polish because I need to film a couple planner videos. So I'm going to do that, and I'm also going to work on listings while everything cuts. Okay, you guys, as you can see, I'm still cutting. It is 1:23 and I'm almost done with all the monthly kits, and then I just have to do all the glitter headers. So hopefully I get that done soon because I'm getting kind of just blah. But then after I finish all of that, I have to cut one order that came in today, and I have to cut the kit that I want to use in my plan with me. And then after all of that, I think I'm going to film my new releases video and my plan with me. And I'm trying, in between like stuff cutting, I'm trying to work on listings, but I'm just like feeling so not motivated to do that right now. So after hours of doing listing photos and cutting, we are finally done with all that. I just have to do listings, which I've done some of them, but you know. Oh, also I painted my nails. I keep painting them the same color because that's all I have in that type of nail polish. It's, oops, I'm dropping everything. It's this Essie nail polish, and it is their Treat, Love, and Color. So it's like a strengthening nail polish, which I need because I had the dip powder on and it totally screwed up my nails. So this is in the color Mauvetivation, like motivation, but with mauve. So yeah, that's why I keep wearing the same thing on my nails, because that's like all I have in that type of nail polish. I have like a ton of other nail polish, but I want something that's gonna like strengthen my nails. I think I'm gonna try to like do my nails again before I go on vacation in like gel, so that way they stay. So anyway, that, I don't even know why I feel like sharing that with you guys, but do you guys like it when I share stuff that's not shop related in my shop videos? Let me know, because I kind of want to start doing more like daily vlog style, where I would show you guys like getting my morning tea and my breakfast and putting on my makeup and getting ready for the day, and like all of that mixed in with what I do for my shop each day, just because I feel like the shop stuff, it just kind of gets repetitive. So I kind of want to switch it up, but I would still call them the behind the scenes vlogs because the main point of the video is to show you guys what I do. But let me know if you guys want to see that. Like, I'm really kind of stuck on that. Also,